Good morning to all of you here in our Facebook page, in our YouTube channel, in our TikTok channel. And those people not yet followed our Facebook page, our TikTok channel, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Try to subscribe and follow our Facebook page and TikTok, Silibi, and Instagram. So we are here this morning to all my organic followers around the world. Buongiorno from here in the Philippines for the people of Italy. So thank you so much to all of you mga kaibigan that we are here today. It's all about to talk about the most very powerful law in the land, that it is the source of all powers in government, those people who are elected in government and appointed in government. So it is the source that the law was given to that and also entrusted to all of them to be tools of the government in order to lead our country, in order to lead to progress our country, especially to manage the law of the country. That the country right now, it's either to become a powerful or to become a Lewis mammal of this earth, in this universe. That it is the source. So all of these types that we are doing right now, it's coming from the Philippine Constitution. Philippine Constitutions is the source of all powers, especially for those people who are elected in government. That they are elected in government that was mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. The Philippine Constitutions is the source of all, either the powerful people or not powerful people on earth. So the Constitutions was invested and entrusted the power to be those people who are elected by the mandate of these constitutions. So either are the source also of the corrupt people in order to corrupt the money of the government that was being told that the constitutions are giving you power to man, to lead, and even those who are corrupted from the money of the taxpayers in the government, even those people who are in the tax ordinary payers of the government, there is no other than people who are targeted by the corruptions, or wala hong ibang matatamaan dito for the target goals. Wala ho ibang matatamaan. That's the only the poor people and the nation. For the corruptions are very rampant in the certain areas of boundaries and territories in every nations or the state, that the corruptions no other than be targeted, but the only one is the poor of that particular country. So no other than here, it's only the poor. No. So the constitution was given to us, even we are in appointed or those who are elected most especially, that the constitutions given you power to lead the country and also make the people be understood the law, and also those who are corrupt, even you are in the most powerful family, influential family, that we are here in this country, we are under our constitutions, which is the constitutions right now is being abused. So or the mandate in all agencies, investigative agencies in the government, and all those agencies who are evaluated for those revenues. The usage of funds and properties of the government are mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. So that you can understand what was the Philippine Constitutions told us. That is the constitutional rights. Even the rights, even you are the most heinous criminals, and the constitutions in every state, there is a provided you rights also, so that the constitution itself, it's being abused for those people who are having their own interests, especially they are elected by the government through the mandate of the constitutions to corrupt the money. No, there is no other than why the people are being fighting during the elections. They are killing someone in order to win the elections, stealing money from the government, stealing money from the ordinary taxpayers after all. So be mindful and be mindset that the corruptions throughout the country, especially here in the Philippines, are no other than is the source of this is the Constitution. If you are not in good faith to serve the people in the country, and you are not in good faith to serve the law of the country, and if you are not in good heart for the nations through the young generations in the future, and then you corrupt the money from that in order to fulfill your satisfactions, to love the money and to corrupt the money in the government. Even now, you can imagine what is the Constitution giving us. I try to think, pero hindi ito maiisip ng mga corrupt dyan. No, hindi ito maiisip. Kahit sa ang ahinsya ng gobyerno, there is a lot of corruptions. Marami hong corrupt na nasa gobyerno. Marami hong corrupt, even the most powerful generals in this country. Kahit ano pa pang generals dito, pagpira na po ang pag-uusapan, tikong bibig na po ang mga taong ito. No? Wala ho ibang dito, mga kaibigan. They are all corrupt. Wala ho ibang matatamaan dito. Yung mahihirap at ang bansa ho natin. Wala na ho. Even yung mga anak ho natin ay wala na ho. Diba? Wala na ho mapapala sa bansa natin. Maraming salamat.